All right, what's going on, everybody? We're back. Today we're at Capitol Raceway. So they just recently opened back up. I think they only run 8th mile, but that's okay. Stephanie just wants to get a couple passes in and try to work on a short track. So I think her fastest 8th is a 7.7, 7.8, something like that. Her last pass at Cecil, she actually went 160, 360 foot, I believe it was. But however, when she went through the gears, she slowed up because she was so excited that she knew she cut a good 60 foot. So today we're really gonna just get her to focus on her 60 foot and just a short track. I don't believe they run out the back door here because the scoreboards are not gonna be on. That's when I gotta give everyone a heads up now. I'll probably do split screen where you can see the ticket per race that she does. But here we go. She's got her Starbucks out here. But yeah. We got a little bit of noise going on this morning. We've added some blower fluid, but I'm thinking the culprit is this bad boy right there, that little alternator. You can kind of see it right there in between that. There's some metal. I don't know how it happened. We saw it yesterday. Started a car on the inside of one of the fins is actually hitting the inside of the casing itself. So I'm gonna try and bang that out a little bit and see if I can't flush it and make it flat. But if not, oh well. It'll just make a shit ton of noise until it burns out. All right, so yeah, they haven't teched this yet. They said they're gonna be teching in lane 9. As you can see, it's kind of dark in the sky. There's a 40% chance of rain right now at 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. They just told us we can tech in lane 9. We're gonna try to cool the car off. We drove it up here. It's a short drive from where we live. Made her second hit. She went 7.8 that time. The first pass was a 7.9. Car left pretty good. She cut a 1.7 versus her 1.6 at the first pass. So I'm gonna check air pressure, maybe drop pressure, because she went to the different lane that time. So maybe that lane has less prep on it. Just see what we can do from there. So I'll probably drop to like 13.5. I had it at 14 just to see what would happen. I'm gonna confirm that she launched at 5 and then see what we do from there.